Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you mute a single channel or any channel into your Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application. Now, after opening the Discord application, just simply go over the profile of your server. And after going into server profile, go to settings and select the channels section. After selecting the channels, you just simply have to select the channels which you want to mute from Discord. Now I'm selecting this general channel, and after going in there, you will get to see this notification setting. Tap to notification settings and then you can select this mute general option. Tap to mute general and then you can select the suitable option for you. I'm selecting this until I turn it back on, and like this you can very easily mute any single channel without muting whole Discord notification. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.